Hey guys, this is Samad here from DIY King. Well, in today's project video, I'm going to show you how we can build ourselves a cordless softbox that has all the options that are given in high-end professional softboxes. But it's going to cost us much less than them since it's built by using commonly available hardware as in most of my projects. So have a look at how useful this softbox is, and later on we are going to build one for ourselves. Professional softboxes offers great flexibility for creating artificial lighting conditions, and this DIY softbox has all of that. It offers complete control over the mixture of white and warm light, having a maximum output of up to 140 watts. The powerful light panel is cooled using a silent PC fan along with a large aluminum heatsink. And all of this is powered by recycled lithium polymer batteries from an old laptop, which provides a cordless operation of up to 30 minutes on full power. Now it's time to build one for ourselves. The enclosure for this softbox is made by using 3 and 7 mm thick MDF sheet. I have cut down 4 identical sides having dimensions of 16-inch wide, 10-inch high and nearly 5-inch at the narrow side. Later, these 4 sides were glued using super glue, which creates perfect joints when used with MDF sheets. The enclosure for the battery and electronics is made using 7 mm thick MDF sheet, as later it is going to serve as the mounting for this softbox too. The whole enclosure is then painted by using matte black finish. The finish was too good as the paint dried. Later, I've glued the aluminum foil to the inner walls of the softbox, which helps me to uniformly disperse the light at different angles. To dissipate the heat that is generated by powerful LED light panel, I've built a customized heatsink by using aluminum rails. They are commonly used as window slider rails and are available from almost any hardware store.
This softbox is powered by 12 SMD LEDs. Each one of them is rated at 12 volt and have a maximum output of nearly 10 watts. I'm going to use 8 white LEDs while the rest of the 4 are warm in color. First of all, I've glued the warm colored LEDs at each corner while the rest of the white LEDs are glued just in between them. The wiring of the panel is simple. First of all, I've connected the negative terminal of all the LEDs together, and the positive terminals of each warm and white LEDs were connected separately. Later, I have to separate the negative connection as well, which is necessary in order to control the intensity of both warm and white LEDs separately by using a pulse width modulation controller. Now I've used a 12 volt PC fan to keep the light panel as cool as possible. Now to power this softbox, I've reclaimed a bunch of lithium polymer cells from an old laptop battery. There were 3 cells connected in series so that the battery is supposed to have a capacity of nearly 4300 mAh at 11.1 volt. Initially, the cells were discharged having unbalanced voltages, so I've individually charged each one of them by using dedicated lithium polymer charger, which is definitely recommended. Later, the cells were found to hold a good capacity and eventually have identical voltages, which was around 4.1 volt for each cell. Thus, 3 of them connected in series helps me to get nearly 12 volt, which is sufficient for our purpose. Now, in order to control the intensity of both white and warm light, I've decided to build a pulse width modulation circuit by myself. For that, I've designed the PCBs for the required circuit by using the schematic, and later I've ordered my PCBs from jlcpcb.com. For the first order, I've got 10 PCBs for $2, which includes the shipment cost right at my doorstep. All I needed to order my PCBs is to upload the Gerber files and check out the options that are given below. That whole process took some time, but at the end it was all worth that, as the quality of the PCB was just too good for the prices they are offering. So don't forget to check out their website, that is jlcpcb.com. The list of the components and the Gerber files for this printed circuit board along with the schematic for the circuit will be given at the Instructables blog spot for this project. The link to that will be given in the description below. For more details about this pulse width modulation circuit and its working, have a look at the previous project video. The link to that will be given at the top right corner of this video. So don't forget to check it out. Here I've made 2 different pulse width modulation controller in order to control the intensity of both warm and white light separately. The wiring diagram and details will be provided in the Instructables blogger spot, so don't forget to check it out. The link is in the description given below. Now, in order to minimize the sharpness of light and to increase the dispersion angle, I'm going to use white cotton cloth at the front of the softbox, which will help me to soften the light coming out of this softbox. Moreover, I've glued velcro strips at each side of the cloth, which will help me to use different cloths easily whenever needed.
So guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Moreover, have a look at some of my other videos as well. And if you want me to continue working on such projects, then do subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the link just given over here. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll be seeing you soon in the next one.